The EQS is a milestone for Mercedes-Benz, as it is our first ever all-electric luxury sedan. So let's have a look at what you can expect from the youngest member of the EQ family. 3 things you need to know about electric driving in the new EQS. First, the EQS offers up to 770 kilometers of electric range, and with up to 385 kilowatts of system power from 2 electric motors and all-wheel drive in the 4MATIC version, the EQS will be a blast to drive. Second, the completely new generation of batteries with a cell energy content of 107.8 kilowatts per hour has an in-house developed energy management software to increase its efficiency. Third, and a very helpful feature for everyday life, is the navigation with electric intelligence. It calculates the fastest route to your destination, taking into account charging stops and charging times, as well as other factors such as traffic situation, topography, and weather. If you have to charge, you can recharge up to 300 kilometers of range in just 15 minutes. So you see, the electric driving experience of the new EQS is both energizing and very convenient. You are a tech enthusiast? 3 things you need to know about high-tech in the EQS. First, you experience it right when entering the car. The automatic front doors close with just a simple gesture thanks to the MBUX interior assistant. Second, while driving, artificial intelligence anticipates your next move. You no longer have to scroll through menus in the EQS. The zero-layer feature of the MBUX hyperscreen suggests, for instance, a music track or to call a friend all by itself. Third, while the experience inside the EQS is a pleasure of serenity, the EQS contributes to outstanding aerodynamics with a drag coefficient of 0.20, a world record for production vehicles. Thanks to the intelligent Mercedes-Benz user experience, MBUX, and the engineering expertise of Mercedes-Benz, the EQS is a unique piece of tech. Let's have a look inside. 3 things you need to know about the interior of the new EQS, which is a holistic fusion of analog and digital design that delights all senses. First, no smell, no noise, no stress. With its reference to the architecture of modern homes and the usage of avant-garde materials, the EQS becomes a new living space for driver and occupants. Second, the interior of the EQS appeals to all senses. For instance, the flowing surfaces and wooden trim parts offer a great haptic experience. Active scenting and the HEPA air filter appeal to the sense of smell. Third, and you can enjoy a lot of space in the EQS, also in the rear seats. Plus, all MBUX functions are available for the backseat passengers as well. With the MBUX hyperscreen, the high-quality materials, and its spaciousness, the EQS offers a completely new luxury experience. You want to get even more out of your car? 3 things you need to know about the services that come with the new EQS. First, with Mercedes-Me Charge, you have access to one of the largest charging networks worldwide, with more than 500,000 charging points. Customers in Europe even get 1 year of free charging at all Ionity fast charging stations after activation. Second, we also help to minimize your carbon footprint. The green charging feature ensures that as much clean power is fed back into the grid as your EQS takes to charge when you use Mercedes-Me Charge. Third, and customers will be up to date with their EQS, vehicle functions can regularly be updated over the air. To sum it up, the ecosystem of the EQS turns electric mobility into a convenient and sustainable experience. The new EQS is high-tech in a true luxury shell. This is what our customers expect from an electric vehicle in the luxury class.